And today I'm so excited to introduce you to our community, the Women Power Up community, which we fondly call as We Power Up. We are a community of passionate individuals where we truly believe everyone has some unique skill. And that's why we say being good enough is amazing. And when such individuals come together, we can definitely build on each other's skills. That means we power up. We are on a mission to provide the right skill, the right opportunity to the right individual to transform the future.
Hello everyone, I'm Agalya. I'm both co-founder and creative director of Women Power Up Network. Me and Priya, with other women, when we started Women Power Up Network, it was January 2020, all we had in mind is to empower women with right support and right skill to make them face the future with challenge both in their life at the same time with their organization, focusing on well-being altogether in a holistic way. And we keep prompting one term thoroughly throughout, that is, being good enough is amazing. It's celebrate yourself. Being who you are is the first thing that is very important, and from being where you are, you can move forward to future. So being good enough is amazing, and it is always amazing. And most of our sessions are also based on being in the same term. Let it be the quantum shift or certain uncertainty, and things we spoke about relationship or mindfulness. Every other sessions that we had caters to this element. Being good enough is amazing. So we also have further varied sessions from varied topics related to investments, related to realtors, and we are also thinking of bringing image consultants here to collaborate with image consultants to bring in quality content as well. And there are a lot coming forward, and we are excited to get them to you at the same time. Thank you so much for all your support, for all your kindness and appreciations throughout. Thanks a lot. Keep supporting us.
Women Power Up Network, a peer-to-peer network to support and power up each other. Hello everyone, I am Gaurav Dhupar, and I am going to talk about the values of this community. We power up. We don't need to be experts to power up each other. When we support each other, it helps others to grow as well as it helps us to grow also. Being good enough is amazing. We feel that being good enough is actually amazing. We need to be good enough to accept our limitations and finding opportunities in those limitations to come out of our comfort zone. At the same time, we should be willing to respond to others and socialize. Together, we rise. The real strength of a community is the people behind it who are committed and connected through a shared goal. Recently, Women Power Up Network joined hands with PMO Global Alliance, the largest online community of PMO professionals across the globe. We feel together Women Power Up Network and PMO Global Alliance will help the community to grow and also help the people to improve their leadership skills.
Everyone, this is Abhishek Mishra. Today I am thrilled to share some of our unique opportunity which we provide as part of our Women Power Up Network. As you all know, we provide mentoring, career counseling and leadership grooming, which are our regular offerings. So now we have decided to come up with a platform where we provide opportunity across all the verticals and fraternity to come and showcase their artistic, poetic and creative skills. So which means everyone across the globe can come and join us, come and attend our extra events, come and attend our special event where they can showcase their talent, they can showcase their skills other than the regular work what they do. and then we join our hands to take your ideas, talents or skills related to creativity, artistic, poetic to next level. So now let's hear out from some of our esteemed members about their take on Women Power Up Network.
Good day. This is Onisha from Bangladesh, and I'm very happy to say that I'm a part of this great network, Women Power Up Network. And I was one of the panelists in an event called the Wonder Woman in the last May. And the motto of this group is bringing out the confidence of all the women around the world and to have a platform for upskilling each other and also bringing out the confidence of each other. So please join our group and let's get connected, obviously. So be power up, and being good enough is amazing. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, my name is Kiran Pari. I'm a life mastery coach. I coach and help women to ignite their awesomeness. And what a wonderful community that Priya has created. My kudos to the entire team at Women Power Up Network for bringing this platform to empower women and help each other grow. I've been a part of this community for some time now. They started in Jan, and shortly after I've become a part of this community, and I've seen this grow. There's a lot of good work which is being put up by the team, wonderful sessions, amazing speakers that they have brought in who are adding a lot of value to this community. I was privileged enough to be invited as one of the speakers for the women, and the engagement by the members in this community has been extremely humbling. I would like to wish all the best and congratulate Priya and the entire team of Women Power Up Network. More power to all of you.